Comparison is the thief of joy, so you don't want to fall into that trap at all. It's not a good trap to be in, and it's not very beneficial to anybody to be comparing yourself and thinking silly things. So yeah, make sure you're always just competing with yourself, because that's essentially, at the end of the day, all you can do is compete with yourself. If you try to compete with other people, you're going to get in your head, annoyed, too competitive to the point where you'll resent what you're doing. Oh my, oh boy, we're back again. A little bit later in the day today. Still a sunny Los Angeles, California. If we're being totally honest, the fruits of my labor have not been seen yet. That's okay. I will never give this up, I don't think. I want to always continue to create content for this series. With that being said, we're back again with another video. I'm super excited to be back. After creating the dog pound video, I've been so sore, it's unbelievable. Spencer really did kick my ass. He was not joking. It was crazy. So let's see the weight now. I've been eating a lot the last few days, so hopefully we got some good weight up. We didn't at all. We're still at the 136 mark, but alas, we keep it going. Today we're just gonna go to the gym. I apologize for all these wrinkly clothes. Kind of a vibe though. I guess that's what I'm going with today. The wrinkly, whatever. It's all good. I'll see you guys at the gym. Get some new routes in. Bunch of new walls in here. Looking sick. Getting more comfortable having my camera up. Crazy packing going upstairs. I am excited. All right, let's get warmed up. Do push-ups, sit-ups. Get yourself a mat. Unless you're feeling like an absolute wildebeest. If you're feeling like a wildebeest, don't get a mat, but I'm gonna get a mat because I'm not no wildebeest. Dude, my feet are dirty, damn. Gotta make sure to keep them away from you guys in this video. Should have cleaned them, honestly, but it's fine. We're gonna start with a good toe crack, because you know, that always helps. Choose low. You know what I mean? Warm-up stretching, child's pose, which is great. Shout out you, Spencer. Low-key, I forgot about the child's pose and cat-cow, so happy to be back. That jaunt. Legs up, pedal them out, rock it all out. Good. 30, rest for 10 seconds. Just heels down. Open up them feet. Feels good, everybody. Okay, back to it. Good work. Feet in, legs out, grip that jaunt. Other side. Right, back to the push-ups. Let's get up to 80. We're at 50. 80. Nice. Hit that 100 mark. Keep your core engaged. Back flat. Alright, 100 push-ups. What you should do if you want to set a push-up goal and increase it, first day, do as many as you can. Burn out like crazy. And then come back tomorrow. See if you can get the same amount of numbers, like in number-wise. If you can't, drop it like 10 or 20 below what your max was. Work at that for a week. After that week, add 10 more again. Work at that one. If it feels good after a week and you don't feel too tired after it, add another 10. And then if, let's say you go to the next week and it is too hard, then don't worry about it. You can just stay at that number like I've been. I've been staying at 180 for like 3 weeks now. So it's a fun little game you can play with yourself. It doesn't matter where you start at, but you can see progress, which is really cool. So as long as you're seeing progress, I think that's the main thing. You don't want to compare yourself to anybody else, you know what I mean? Stay in your own lane, basically. All right, I'm gonna do a couple minutes of planks and then do the 10-minute abs. I haven't been doing it for the last week or so, so I need to get back onto my grind and bust it out, but that's okay. We all go through phases of like not wanting to train like core at all. It's probably one of the hardest things to continually train and be like happy about it, so don't feel bad if you're slacking in that sector, because I am too right now. Feels good. Surprisingly, that was a minute. I don't know how. Second minute, let's go. If you're ever doing planks and you feel like a little bit weird, like you don't know if you got the right form, you can best bet that if you have your butt arched up, you're probably in the right position. You can go a little bit too high, but I think it's better to go too high than too low. Go too low, you're gonna compress your lower back and you might end up with some injuries. So just stay that arched butt, tilt it back basically. It's better than like having your butt like curled inwards. Just doesn't hit the same. Lately in the videos, I keep cutting my head off. I cut other people's heads off too in the Charlie video. So I'm just gonna get in the habit of filming in 0.5 for the most part, cause like, damn, bro. Today was fun. I got to build a media kit for myself. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a PDF file that you make when you're trying to pitch yourself out. Well, I'm not pitching myself, but your team tries to pitch you out to basically different people. So I had to gather like all of my credentials of everything I've ever done. And yeah, it's kind of fun, like just seeing what I've actually done. It's like when you make a resume and you realize all those jobs you've had, you're like, damn, that's crazy. Like, I almost forgot. I've done things with my life. Let's do some abdominal activation and then we'll go to the climb. Funny angles for the win. Because why not, right? Like, what an angle. You never seen me like this. So random. Try to touch the bottom of your stinky feet. All right, I feel pretty good. See that the campus board's open. And I haven't shown you guys that yet. Not campus like school though, campus like board. You feel me? Maybe they fixed the water fountain. Hopefully that would be kind of sick. Oh boy, test. It's back to normal. It's genuinely been up for a while. I don't know why. A little contaminated water for the system. If you're able to, don't drink that water in LA from any kind of water fountain. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Frankie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Elliot gave me the blessing to go on the campus board. Get a little warm up in. If you haven't climbed for more than 6 months, don't do this. I'm gonna get the shoulders warmed up first. Oh, that'll do it. That'll do it, dude. Yeah, Frankie. Elliot? Cool, man. I'll see you around.
Yeah.
This is the biggest hold on this thing. Then we got the medium, and then we got the smallest. We just went up the easiest one, I guess. We're gonna go to the second hardest one now. See how that feels. Start down, get some shoulder activation.
Feels like a lifetime since that summer. We were just kids, young and loving. It still feel like I'm coming down.
Good, felt good. Just a little sidebar here. If you're ever forgetting or having a hard time choosing something, make sure to always choose love. I'm gonna get corny with that joke for sure, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I think I've said that in like every video. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Merch? Rest a little bit more and then we're gonna go up in difficulty. If you've been watching this series, you saw me at Dog Pound the other day. Like maybe I was there yesterday for you. Oh yeah, it was yesterday. Yesterday at Dog Pound, they gave out free chalk. So if this is your first video, go watch that. Like what? I got no chalk, barely left. LOL. All right, let's hit this last guy. Smallest holds for this joint. We'd love to see it.
If it's still something on your mind, then just say something. You gotta live like you don't know if your next day coming. You could lose it all at any moment.
Oh boy, did the smallest one too. That felt good. Give me chalk or give me death. You guys have any chalk blocks?
I do, yeah.
Yay! Thank God. We got that chalk. Another Frank, great guy, making chalk for me to go crazy today. If you're starting with something higher than a 2 and you're not warmed up, you're gonna get hurt. So don't do that. Don't follow my lead. Get really warmed up before you ever go higher than a 2. But now I do proper warm-ups.
So that shit time ain't good for nothing. Can you tell me how in the fuck can it be bullshit? Every time you call up, you only hear me when you need some. All of that energy spent, bitch, I need a free fund.
Okay, new wall, feeling good. Whoop, whoop. Next one on this is this red fort. This whole wall is new, dude. All new climbs. Again, this is why I love my gym. We're constantly getting new problems all the time. Almost every single week there's new problems. It's pretty cool. Little red 4.
Tell me what you want, I don't ever figure out what about bad love. But every time you hit me up, feel like enemies in a crisscross, no friend of me. When did it all go bad? Baby, don't come back around. No, I won't be asking about how this shit finna take me back. Double down.
Feeling great. Fun, fun, fun. What the f? Look at this. It starts up there. What a funny start. Like, what? Hopefully you guys saw that chalk splash in my face. I'm gonna try this red one, see what it's got in store for me. Got some weird holds here, I'm not gonna lie.
Don't come back around. No, I won't be asking about how this shit finna take me back. Double down with the styrofoam. Had to let the last one go. Better off far from me. If it's still something on your mind, then just say something. You gotta live like you don't know if your next day coming. You could lose it all at any moment. Make sure that your time ain't good for nothing.
Okay. Good stuff, team. Not the easiest 6 I've ever done, but we did it. All right, we're back with another 6 here. Crazy dyno. Do it in slow-mo for you guys.
your first line. Said I'm running low on the gas, but in the Tesla we're fine. Girl, I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to find.
That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Sorry. The only thing cool about this video was that slow motion. If you guys like the slow motion, let me know. I'll do some more of that. I had a fun time. Still searching far and wide for that 8 that I can start a project on. But until that day, we just keep getting better slowly but surely. Do a quick pump check and let's get out of here. Looking kind of small. Shredded nonetheless. It is what it is, I guess. Get it back. Could be better, but that's okay. Take it one day at a time, right? Don't push yourself too hard so you can come back tomorrow. I promise next video I'm gonna find an 8 that I can start the project so that you guys can actually get excited about the series. If this is the first video in the series that you watched, I apologize. You'll definitely like the other ones in this series, but if you guys liked it regardless, let me know. Leave a like down below. Comment what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for all the love. Appreciate you. Bye.